part of the car itself is the shell, which is the most important thing that has to deal with all the aerodynamics and weight and the main principal things that deals with all the physics of the car itself. So we already designed kind of engineering design of the car, how it's going to be the structure of the cell itself. The first main thing is that we have to make it weightless, so we have reduced the quantity of plastic that it will contain. So we base the idea on the Baja cars. As we know, the Baja cars is just tubes of metal, and it doesn't contain any other like balls besides the doors and the things that cover the motors, the front part of the car. But in this part, we're gonna make it more simple.
On both sides above the tires, adding two dive planes will also work toward reducing the lift we want to avoid.
As air goes in, the dive planes redirect the airflow upward, helping it create downforce, and also it changes the airflow along the side of the car, so that the high pressure air isn't trying to move underneath the vehicle, where you have got the low pressure air, helping to keep your lift low and downforce high.
We will be adding two front splitters. So what are the front splitters for? If you got the wind blowing and it's hitting the front of the vehicle, it'll build up a high pressure area. You don't want the high pressure area going under the car because it'll create a lift. So what the splitter does is produce the parallel leading edge on the front, and it tries to keep all the high pressure air moving over the vehicle. The high pressure is also moving down on it, creating a downforce. We will also add a spoiler. The spoiler will also let the air moving over the vehicle push down, creating the downforce, and ultimately that will help the car go faster.